Hello friends, I'm Navneet from Aliens Creation, and today we are going to make this nice looking arrow animation with dynamic angle. I have created this macro in Davinci Resolve 18 so you don't have to create this effect from scratch. To get this macro file, let's go to this a link of my coffee page and open the page. When you open the page, there are two ways to download this macro file. You can write down any amount, whatever you want, and download it by checking out with this PayPal or this pay with card offer, or you can download it for free by writing 0, add to cart, check out, and you can download it. We open the Davinci Resolve waiting. This is the timeline I have already created, and this has the clip where we can add our arrow animation. So the question arises how to find a macro folder. So let's go to Fusion page, select any node, right click and go to macro and create macro. When you create macro, you will open it will open this type of window. Then go to click on these three dots, and it will open and click on open. It will say you want to save this macro tool, but no, we don't want to save this macro tool. We just want to it will open the macro folder of available in your computer. If it's Windows computer, I don't know about the Mac. So I will copy and paste the macro file in this macro folder. So right now I have already pasted my file, and now we can close it. Close this one also, don't save. To access this that macro file, we need to press Ctrl and spacebar together, and then this tool, this macro or finder tool will open. Find by searching like arrow. This one we have saved. So it will show whatever you have named the file. It will show that name. You can save the file with any name, the macro file, so it will show that here. So you can add it in the node tree. So after adding it node tree, you need to just put the output of this into background and then output this. While making this video, I am assuming that you know the basics of Fusion in Davinci Resolve. If you want to learn basics of Fusion, I can make video on that. So this is the arrow animation macro we have imported in our node tree. So now we have to just adjust it according to our video. So we'll go to first frame of, and we will start adjusting this arrow. So for that we have so many settings for this macro. Let's check those out first. So here are two lines. This is one line, this is second line. So these two lines are joined in this animation, and also two arrowheads are available. So we can change the settings and look of these arrows by adjusting these settings. We can adjust the line thickness. So like if we adjust the line 1 thickness, you can adjust any way you want, or you can go back. We can adjust the opacity, like we can make it transparent, and also there is this midpoint. So the coordinates of midpoints are here, and we can adjust where our midpoint should be, like this. And this is line 1 end point. So by adjusting this, we can adjust the length of this line or the angle also, and we can change or adjust the arrowhead height and width like this. And same things are available for line 2 also. We can adjust the thickness, or what we can do is we can make these line thickness relative to each other by deleting it and typing an equal sign and enter. Now we want this line thickness to be related to line 1 thickness, like that. Now if we increase the line 1 thickness, the line 2 thickness will increase automatically. Likewise, we can change the color of lines, etc. Color of text we can change. So we have a lot of flexibility here. We can change the orientation, we can change the arc color, we can change the text font and size and tracking. All of those options available in text plus nodes. So these are the settings we can play with. Change the look of our arrows and text. So now what this macro does is, when the endpoints move according to anything, like for example in this video the hand of this lady makes any angle, so it will count the angle accordingly. So for that we need to adjust the endpoints and this midpoint of these arrows. So to do that we need to make some keyframes. So the keyframes will be these points and the position of this angle. So first of all we need to make the keyframes. So this midpoint, this line 1 endpoint, this line 2 endpoint, and then this angle text position. So now we need to adjust the things like this, like this, like this. Oh, now you will say it is showing weird results. It's not 8 degree. So sometime when this happens, just don't panic and change the arrows. Now it's good. And now we need to just focus on this area and play along. Go here, just adjust a little bit and the angle will adjust. Go here, adjust the angle, adjust the arrows, adjust the angle position, go to next frames, adjust again, let's move forward, just again, a little bit forward, just again, a little forward, adjust again, and then go in the end and just again. So like that we have created our animation. We can see how it's going, how it is going from end to end. You can see it looks like that. So by using this macro tool, easily make this effect in within 5 or 10 minutes. So please feel free to use it, and if you find it useful, subscribe to this channel and hit like button, and please comment if you want to see how I made this macro. Actually I used too many expression in this and spent too much time. So please download it from my Ko-fi page, and you can donate some amount there also. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.